Okay, my name is Kingston Tego and I'm an EIT at MPower Entrepreneurial School of Technology.
Okay, I'm Edward Pai and
this is Joshua here and
Samuel.
Okay, so I'm Edem.
And I'm Humphrey.
Well, I'm Nana. I'm an EIT, Entrepreneur in Training at MPower Entrepreneurial School of Technology.
My name is Lady Omega Hammond and I'm also an EIT at MIST.
I am Ajao Mohamed Kassir. I'm a final year student at HSC University. I'm very passionate about software development.
My name is Victor Febu. Actually, Maoli is the biggest guy here. He's the programmer. And myself and Senam are like the creative minds, looking for the name for the app and kind of figuring out some of the functionalities that it should have.
There are a few things to keep in mind. The first thing is, always create something that you will use yourself. If you are not going to use it, don't create it.
we are given a platform where we aggregate all promotions. So, be it an individual, be it a company, you can just sign on to our products and then add your items on promotion.
MPower has got a very good API. You can actually source for funds. You can actually ask people to support your project, and they don't really need to put in the 10,000, the 100,000. One CD from 10,000 people is the same as 10,000 from one person. So give it to all the 10,000 people and let them support that project.
What we do is we allow users who want to purchase from us to access from any source. Maybe if only they have an internet access, they can be able to access us, and then we will deliver the food to their convenience.
Okay. Our idea is pretty simple. We targeted a particular industry, and within an industry, a particular niche which we wanted to serve. Now, the industry is aviation industry, and we understand that Africa is going to be the next phase of aviation explosion. So within that industry, we targeted domestic airlines, which have huge contacts with people.
So my friend Victor here, for instance, is Nigerian, and there's a lot of discrimination concerning financial issues on the internet for Nigerians. So for him, he can transfer money from Nigeria to Ghana, for instance, to spend easily through Bitcoin.
Okay, we are working on an inquiry system with payment option using the MPower platform.
Monetize your app. There are too many ideas that don't make money. Let's start making money. Let's start changing the world, changing our society. Let's stop blaming government. Let's start changing our own society in our own small ways. Whatever ideas that we have now, you don't have any excuse.
How are we going to make money out of this? Well, for every ticket that you buy, we're going to get a fraction out of it. Also, we see it as a platform for advertisements, for hotels, for businesses that want to get in touch with people who travel most of the time.
This room was filled with, let's say, 40 developers, and that's a critical mass of Black entrepreneurs and technologists who could transform the representation of what's happening in IT.
I think developers will learn from advanced developers. The other day developers are explain advanced and all those kind of things. And so somebody like Alfred is advanced, right? We need to learn from Alfred.
But starting MPower, we always realized the power was in the developers' hands. Developers are all about automation. We like everything that is automated. Why do you want to shop online? You don't want to work from Makola, so you want to order online. So developers are all about automation.
We need to draw people to our industry. We really need to do that. But thankfully now the people are coming to us. But people need e-payment systems. And what better way to build applications for them and be able to charge them wherever they are in the world. So, like our hashtag says, let's do this!
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
I don't think anyone is done. This thing.
How close is the 2,000 naira, right?
Huh?
How close is the 2,000 naira, right?
Charlie. I wouldn't say it's anywhere close.
A lot of guys come up, they pitch, and they never finish the app. We want to do something different from what the Kenyans are not doing. In Kenya, you find a lot of guys who can pitch so well, but they never finish their app.
Yeah, so
we want to do it different.
Exactly.
In Ghana, we finish apps, and then we get to use the apps. That's the reputation we want to build for ourselves.
So once I enter that, instantly it takes my phone number and tells, please check your phone, send instructions about where to send your bitcoins to. That's where I'll send a bitcoin before I get a cash in my account, right? Good. And oh, what's here? SMS has come. Beep, 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 beep.
The vision behind these apps and the intention, right? So there's a social intention, but also an entrepreneurial intention. It's really sophisticated how well this was organized. It wasn't just a grab bag of apps. It was apps targeted towards a specific platform. And the reward was commensurate with that. And the other interesting thing about this is that it's not coming from a civic group per se or NGO, it's coming from a company. So the company has the vision to put money behind young developers and foster them and give them rewards and bring them into the industry in some kind of way.